So in today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this USB-C dual HDMI docking station from Plugable. Now this thing is packed with tons of features, so let's jump in the workshop and take a look. So here we have the USB-C dual HDMI docking station from Plugable. As you can see, it comes in this nice retail box. So let's open it up and take a look. We have the unit here. Take it out of the bag. Okay, that's really nice. That's a nice solid unit. Very nice indeed. Like that. So got this metallic sort of feel to it, so that's really nice. On this side you can see that we've got our USB-C, and we've also got another USB connection and a headphones jack. On this side we've got our power button and what looks like a Kingston lock. On this side you can see that we have the network connection over here, a couple of more USB ports. We have our dual HDMI sockets over there, another USB-C connection, and what looks like your power goes over here. So that's it, that's all the connections on the unit. Let's take a look at what's in the box. We have a USB-C cable. We have a power brick, which I believe is about 110 watts. And we have a mains cable. And that's pretty much also in the box. So next, let's get the unit powered up and see how it all connects. So what you see here is I've got my mains cable plugged in here. I've got my two HDMI monitors plugged into here. And now I'm going to take the USB-C cable that came with the unit, and I'm going to plug that into the back where it says power delivery 65 watt. So I'm just going to plug that into there. Let's fire it up. Oh, come straight on. So there you go, there's got a nice little power light there, pretty cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab my laptop I've got here. So I've got my laptop, so I'm going to connect that 65 watt PD cable on the back of the hub into my laptop here, providing it power. So let's go and plug that in. So the other end of that USB-C cable that goes back to the docking station is not only providing power to my laptop, but it's also providing the signal to drive the two HDMI monitors. So let's take a look at that. So I've got a slightly wider shot here. You can see that the actual configuration I've got. So I've got my laptop here. I have my Plugable docking station over here, and at the top, which I'll show you in a second, I have my two monitors. So I've got my screen down here and two screens at the top. So there you go, there's my two screens, all running off the one laptop. So you can see on this side I have a Word document going on. This side I've got YouTube playing, and on my laptop I could have something completely different. So that's great. So I've got three screens running at once, all because I'm using that docking station. So remember that whilst I'm actually running those two extra monitors, I'm also at the same charging my laptop through this USB-C cable, because I've got it plugged into the 65 watt output of the docking station. So that's really good. But what's also really cool is at the same time I still have another USB-C connection at the front here that I can plug another device into. So there you go, there's your USB-C dual HDMI docking station from Plugable. Now, is this the sort of thing that you would want in your office? Is this the sort of thing that you need in your office? Let us know in the comments below. So my name's Rob from RLS Computer Services. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.